Shh, the stars are coming out. Close your eyes, the day is done. Rest now, my little one. The bath was warm, the bubbles floated high. BabyFaloo squeaked her duck goodbye. Pajamas on, so soft and sweet, from fuzzy head to cozy feet. Time to sleep, little one. The day is done. The day is done. Close your eyes, the stars are bright. Good night, good night, good night. Daddy reads a story now. His voice is warm, his arms are wide. BabyFaloo is safe inside. Time to sleep, little one. The day is done. The day is done. Good night, good night, good night. You played so hard, you loved so much. Sleep